Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss a very simple problem, but there are some important concepts related to that we need to understand. Find the sum of all the elements in a list. So this is a very common interview problem, and we have a list of integer given and we just need to find the sum of it in Streams API. So we will get a sum. So num dot stream dot map to int. Now, up until this point, we have a list of integer and stream has been acted on that. So we have a stream now, and we need to perform an operation that is summation. So we need to understand one thing that for all these arithmetic operations, primitives are the best. And so we are using map to int because this converts the stream that we have into like int stream, and which is a specialized kind of int primitive. And if you use integer and method reference and int value, it is doing the same thing. It is basically extracting the int value from the integer, and this is an intermediate operation, so we need to use a terminal operation, as you know that streams are lazy, and then we will get our answer. Yeah. So we need to understand something that we are using list of integer. That means this value is boxed. Okay. Means there is a wrapping provided to a primitive value so that it gets converted into an object. And whenever we need to do any arithmetic operation, we always convert it back to primitive. So a kind of unboxing happens. Okay. So by using map to int, we are kind of just avoiding the boxing and unboxing overhead. So this gives us performance benefits and also memory efficiency because the boxed values take up more space than the primitives. So like that is why we would go for map to int, and this is some of the advantages. So just keep in mind when you're using it, and yeah, you would be good to go for arithmetic operations. So hoping you understood this, and thank you so much for watching this. Let's catch up in the next video.